Hey there, I'm Chris Panek, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. If you're thinking that once you reach a particular level in your personal or your professional life, or when you've achieved a certain amount of success, you'll automatically stop doubting yourself, I want you to think again. Unfortunately, at every level of your success, you'll more than likely experience some sort of self-doubt or insecurity. But that self-doubt doesn't have to hold you back from reaching your goals. If you're ready to start managing your self-doubt, let's dive in. Have you ever found that you've been holding yourself back from something that you'd really like to experience, or a goal that you'd like to achieve solely because you don't want to deal with the discomfort that comes with putting yourself out there, which is stemming from self-doubt? So many clients tell me that they think if they're on the right path, it shouldn't be hard, or they shouldn't be feeling self-doubt. But what I've most often found with these clients is actually just the opposite. They frequently feel self-doubt in these cases. They have to learn to embrace the negative thoughts that they're having and take the steps that they need to take to reach their goals. You've probably heard me say multiple times that you need to embrace the discomfort and do it anyway to get what you want in life. This is what's going to help you move through your self-doubt and reach your goals. Self-doubt is a thought that you're thinking. You may have told yourself things like, there's no way I can accomplish this. I can't believe I got this promotion. Or, I'm not qualified. It's pretty normal that you'd be thinking like this because you've never done this thing before. It's a natural reaction to growth. You think like this because you haven't proven to yourself that you can actually do it. You haven't proven to yourself that you are capable of doing it and that you can grow past the level that you're currently at. When you set a goal and encounter your first obstacle, so many people will give up. But when you're able to overcome your self-doubt, utilize your obstacles as a stepping stone, and prove to yourself that you can do it, you'll be in a much better position to achieve your goals, which in turn will help you reduce your self-doubt. When you're willing to fail as many times as it takes to overcome your obstacles and keep trying, you'll increase your ability to grow. If you'd like to continue listening to the rest of this podcast, I invite you to sign up for my free private podcast, where I do a deeper dive into this topic on the Mastering Your Mindset Moments podcast for high-stress professionals. When you're busy working in a high-stress profession, it's often hard to accomplish what you truly want in your life. This private podcast offers solutions that you can immediately apply to your life so that you can not only achieve your goals, but increase your sense of purpose, satisfaction, and lead a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. You can sign up at financialadventure.com/private to hear about the solutions that I provide on this topic. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.